Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we'll see aggregate operations on RDD. There are three types of aggregate operations on RDD. One is reduce, next fold, then aggregate. These three aggregate operations are there on RDDs we can perform. So first, we'll see what is reduce by key. What is reduce? Reduce is a action. We will perform reduce action to perform arithmetic operations on the RDD, like addition, subtraction, multiplication. If you want, if you want to perform such type of arithmetic operations on RDD, we'll go for a reduce. Reduce action, what it will do in partition wise, that operation, whatever you are giving that operation, it will be performed. Then result will be consumed, displayed. Okay, we'll see one example. So I'm creating one RDD with some array of 7 elements. This is one way we can create RDD by parallelizing one collection, or we have one more method, RDD equal to make RDD. Make RDD of array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make RDD, sorry, we missed the Spark session. SC dot make RDD. This is also fine. See, in this way also we can create RDD. This is RDD of integer. Parallelizing collection also we can create RDD. So now one RDD is there. To see how many partitions data got that RDD got divided, we can see, right? So what get number of partitions. So RDD get num partitions. So this RDD divided into 4 partitions. So which element went to which RDD? Which element available in which RDD? To if you want to see that, so what is the uh, method, right? Map partitions. RDD data map partitions. So iterate through each partition size. Okay, this is the command x such that array of x dot size and iterator, and I am collecting. First element is available in first partition. Second two elements 2, 3 went to second partition. 4, 5 went to third partition. 6, 7 went to fourth partition. So 4 partitions, 7 elements distributed. Two partitions having 2 elements and one partition having one element. So if you perform reduce operation, so if I want to the RDD divided into different partitions now. Now, if I want to join, if you want to add sum all the partitions data, that time we can use reduce by key. Okay, arithmetic operations. So how to perform reduce action on RD, reduce RD val output equal to RDD dot reduce x comma y and x plus y. This is cumulative operation. 28. Output is 28. How is 28? First partition 1, second partition 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Then 4 plus 5, 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 7, 28. Okay. We'll try one more way also, reduce by key. Reduce. So in this way also we can put, this is short notation. Every element I'm doing plus. Okay. This is a example for a reduce action. It will, in performance wise, it will give good performance. Okay. To perform any arithmetic operations on RDD. Thanks for